welcome to my channel. I want to be an astronaut one day. I hope you will join me on my journey. Hit subscribe. Hi, my name is Isabelle and welcome back to Isabelle's Incredible Insights. Today we're going to be learning about the solar system. How to make these planets. You need a really good printer, popsicle sticks, and a sheet of all the planets in the solar system, like right here. It doesn't matter if the sun is not there, as long as you just have the planets, but you don't have to do Pluto, because that's now included to a dwarf planet. And now we're going to be learning about the solar system. First, before we sing the song, to help you remember them, I'll give you the names. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. And now let me sing the song to help you remember how many are in the solar system. There are 8 planets in the solar system. We orbit the sun. And now, we're going to do a little show in the next video. Hi, I'm still here. Now let me introduce you into the planets. Hi, I'm Mercury, and I'm the smallest planet in the solar system. I have a very thin atmosphere and no moons. Hi, I'm Venus, and I have a very rocky and thick cloud of the atmosphere, and it's really hot in my area. Hi, I'm Earth, and I'm the planet you live on. I'm the only one with organic oxygen, and you better take care of me because we're all one. Hi, I'm Mars, and the Perseverance is landing on me in February. And I'm a really red planet because I'm rusty from the dust. And I also have really bad sandstorms. And I have the biggest volcano that's called Olympic Months. Hi, I'm Jupiter, and I have a raging storm, my red dot that you can see. And I'm a giant gas giant, and I have a really big red spot that's raging storms. I'm Saturn, and I'm also a gassy planet, and I have 50 moons, and I'm yellow, brown in color, and I'm a gas giant, and I also have very thin rings. And if I was living on Earth, I would float in the water. All the rest of the planets would sink. I'm Uranus. I'm the coldest planet in the atmosphere. And if you were to live on me, you would die because I'm so cold. I'm Neptune because I have a big blue spot, just like Jupiter, and I also have raging storms in that spot. I'm done.
Which one's your favorite planet, Isabelle?
I love Jupiter, Saturn, and Uranus.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Because of the colors.
Well, you did a great job giving us some fun facts about the planets in the solar system. Anything else you want to share?
Nope, but you can see how I made these planets at the end of the video.
Thanks, Isabelle.
Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Bye.